This is kind of weird. This is the second week where there's been no prayer mats out. What I mean by prayer mats is usually there's quite a few Muslim men that stay here with their prayer mats praying, and they usually sell books and stuff. But this is the second week that I haven't seen any of them around, so I don't know what's going on. Maybe somebody made them move or something. That's huge march coming by Speaker's Corner. And someone said it was the pro-Palestine march. And that would kind of maybe explain the lack of prayer mats today. There was something happening earlier today, and I think it's got something to do with this. And a lot of people from the Palestine March are coming into Speaker's Corner. So I'm thinking maybe it's all over now. Is this the Free Palestine March? Is this the Free Palestine March?
It's like it.
Like it?
Not really, but it's like it.
Not really? What is it? Hiya. Hi. Can you tell me what march this is for?
The Arbaeen Procession.
Do you know what this is?
I have no idea about what's happening here. This is crazy people.
It's crazy people.
Yeah.
It's not.
They hitting themselves.
Do you know what this march is for?
Yeah, I do.
What is it?
Huh?
What is it?
It's a commemoration of the grandson of the Prophet Muhammad. Obviously, he died in a battle to save Islam from tyranny and oppression. So it's commemorating his death 1,500 days.
So it's commemorating a historical event?
Yeah, a historical event, a death of someone who's held very dearly in our religion. He's one of our imams.
A death of the deity?
Not a death of a deity. There's one God and he cannot die.
Okay.
Death of the grandson of the Prophet.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, I can't hear very well.
It's alright.
Cheers. Thank you very much.
Alright.
Can you tell me what this is? The march?
I'm not too sure. I was in the park.
Oh, okay.
I wasn't too sure.
Same as me. That's somebody that's in the march. Hi, can you tell me what this is?
It's a procession for the grandson of Prophet Muhammad. It's his martyrdom that happened 1400 years ago.
On this day?
Not this day. This is the 40th day after he. It's quite an important sort of day.
Okay.
So we normally commemorate the day that he passed away and the 40th day as well.
Then what's the name of the day?
Arbaeen. They call it Arbaeen.
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 Arbaeen. Great. Thank you very much. Yes, it's a commemorative march 40 days after the... I didn't get that, did you? What the march is about?
Is Arbaeen is Imam Hussain alayhi salam, Shia Muslim, who are follower of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and his brother Imam Ali alayhi salam, and his son of Imam Ali alayhi salam, Imam Hussain alayhi salam. Arbaeen Karbala belongs to them, and this march for them.
All right, thank you very much. They're all taking a little bit of a break from the march here in Speaker's Corner on a very, very hot August day, almost the end of the summer. And for a change, I'm gonna say I'm happy that it's the end. It's been really, really hot. So just ran into this guy who's steward for the march today.
Exactly,
And,
yes.
Can you tell me what it's about?
This is about Imam Hussain alayhi salatu wasalam, all the Muslims, Muslims, Prophet's grandson. He stood up against injustice, yeah, and so every 40th day of his martyrdom, so we have to really celebrate this in Marblach, yeah. And for that, we walk from Stratford to Marblach, exactly, yeah. And
Stratford to Marble
Marblach.
in this 31 degrees Celsius weather.
Exactly, yes. But on the way we go like water and food, everything was there, everything was free.
Organized.
Exactly, yes, yeah. So
Very, very
this is
peaceful.
the 7th year we started from Stratford to Marblach. Every year we come.
Ooh, and people are still going as well.
Exactly. But obviously, those people who live on the east standard side, they come on, they join us and they usually walk from there here.
Yeah.
And lots of people, they're using train to come here and commemorate here.
Yeah, well, there's lots of families, so probably not many of the families came all the way from Stratford.
Yeah, obviously, yeah. They're coming from like all over the UK, from Scotland, Manchester, Birmingham, and Stratford. And in London, they come from there as well. All right?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Take care.
Cheers, bye.